Hello, this video is on finding area and perimeter of triangles and parallelograms. And let's just start with triangles. So with triangles, even if it's an isosceles triangle, an equilateral triangle, or a scalene triangle, it's the same formula. You are just adding all your sides. So in this case, it's 2.5 centimeters, then it's 6.6 centimeters, and 4.5 centimeters. So we're just going to do 4.5 plus 2.5 plus 6. And that gets us to 13 centimeters. So that's our perimeter for a triangle. Now to find area of a triangle, you're just doing base times height. So that little dotted line up there, where it says 3 centimeters, that's the height. So the base is 6 in this case. So base times height, we do 6 times 3, and that gets us to 18 centimeters. But it's going to be squared because it's area. With perimeter, you don't have to have squared or cubed, but squared since it's area. So remember to label. Now with parallelograms, it's a little bit different. So in this case, you're adding up your sides. Even if it doesn't show it, the sides are all equal. So, not all equal, but the 32 on the top, on the bottom as well, this 32 up here, on the bottom as well, is 32. This 40 over here, along this as well, is 40 inches. Don't confuse it with the height, which is 4 inches. Now, I drew the red arrows around it to symbolize the perimeter. So with our perimeter, we're doing 40 inches plus 40 inches plus 32 inches plus 32 inches. And I just sort of broke it up. And I did the 80 inches, since that's the 40 and the 40, and then I got 64 inches from the 32 and the 32. So that's 80 plus 64, which is 144 inches. So we're good on that. So that's our little perimeter. Now, with area, it's not really that much different. So we have with area. So the formula for area, like I said, in the triangle, it's base times height. And the base in this case is 32. And the height is 4 inches. Do not confuse the height with just this. Don't think the height is whatever is going up. Even though this is going up, this is not the height. This is the height. Because this is not going straight down. If you were to slant it and move the top part, it has the same base, but you're moving the top part, it would be a different number. So in this case, it's 4 inches. So we're doing base times height. Our base in this case is 32, and our height in this case is 4 inches. So we're doing 32 times 4, and that gets us to 128 inches squared. Remember the squared because it is area. So remember the squared. I'm circling it because it is important, not just for any reason. Okay, so that was finding area and perimeter of triangles and parallelograms. And remember to label, because that's very important to do. And a tip would be just to write it on top of your test. Like, that's what sometimes I do, because it helps me to remember. So remember to label. Thanks for watching.